In the boundless expanse of the cosmos, a singular and unwavering presence prevails, the perfection that is Allah. Amidst the tapestry of creation, Allah emerges as the flawless orchestrator, an embodiment of perfection in all dimensions. Witness his perfection in the meticulous artistry of each living being, every delicate petal and even the tiniest granule of sand, all bear the signature of his faultlessness. Unfathomable wisdom radiates from Allah, a wellspring that knows no end. His compassion flows ceaselessly, transcending all boundaries. His affection knows no limitations, embracing all with an unreserved warmth. With every heartbeat and every drawn breath, the symphony of existence harmonizes with the rhythm of Allah's sublime perfection. Within his immaculateness lies the tranquil haven where humanity discovers solace, a sanctuary of serenity where the soul finds its true home. Allah is indeed the quintessence of perfection, and through his immaculate essence we attain a state of unshakable peace.